Bonafide Hustler here, and today we're going to hit up some garage sales and see what we can find buying and reselling used goods. What's going on, guys and gals? Chris, the Bonafide Hustler, coming to you live from the inside of Rental Spaceship. That's right, my truck went in to get some fluids changed and then give me a rental spaceship that is humongous. So yeah, we're going to be garage selling this thing today. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler. And you can also get the free money making guide right here. It's the first link down below. It'll teach you 50 items that you should be looking for at garage sales and thrift stores that you can commonly resell for more money. Go check it out. First link below. It is free. All right, so I woke up 30 minutes ago and it's just, you know, garage sales are fun. So got to go check them out and let's see what we can find today. Who knows? I love Saturdays. And we come to our first garage sale, which is actually in my neighborhood, surprisingly. Doesn't look that great, but you just never know. So I'm gonna go check it out. I mean, I think there are 5 or 6 garage sales today, so I might stay a little bit longer than expected inside these garage sales, but this one does look a little reseller-ish. I see a friend from the antique mall that's over there. So anyway, yeah, this one looks a little reseller-ish, so I'll probably be out of this one soon. I don't have the GoPro on me today either, because that just takes a little bit more like finessing and rigging up and everything, but we'll see if we can find anything at this one. Right, I'll try to put the camera right here. That doesn't really help so much. We'll see. So as expected, I didn't see anything I wanted there, so now we're gonna head to a pocket of town that has like 4 garage sales. Let's check it out. This spaceship is incredible, by the way. This is a, I think 2023 or maybe 2024 Toyota Sienna all-wheel drive hybrid spaceship. It's absolutely stunning. I mean, it really has me thinking about getting a minivan. Maybe not as nice as this one, but just having a minivan, because I mean, look at how big this is. That's what everyone said. So it's just so big in here. It's crazy. I mean, you could really sleep in here. I mean, you can find a lot of cheddar, across the country kind of cheddar. I just like it. How many of y'all out there have minivans? Let me know, because I have a small car, and then I have a SUV, but this is just nice. Handles real good. I mean, obviously it's brand new, but still, it's just, I don't know. Maybe I'm just getting older. I'm not sure. But minivans are, this thing is out of this world. It's a spaceship. It is out of this world. It's a beautiful overcast day today, and we're heading to the next round of garage sales right now. So we arrived at the next garage sale, and it doesn't start for like, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes. So I caught my friend Matt out here.
Hey everyone. And
Matt's got the reveal of all the reveals. You ready?
Yes.
Here it is. Look at this. This dude's OG, man. Look at that. That is an OG Bonafide Hustler cheddar weather shirt. That's right. So cool.
Yes.
I love it. I should be wearing one of my shirts, but I just like woke up and just went for it. So, but that is nice. That is actually one of my favorite shirts.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's cool. And so it's the retro one. Very cool.
Yes.
We are comparing spaceships too, which is kind of cool.
Yeah.
He's got one over there. And then this is the rental one. So anyway, might stick around for this one. It could be really neat. There's already something, I mean, right there as you walk in to the left, there's something interesting. I don't know what it is. It's kind of like an artwork piece. Mm-hmm. You see what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
That little geometric looking thing on the wall. Kind of neat. Hopefully that's indicative of what's in here.
More stuff.
Right now, I'm sorry.
Oh, you get this out of the way.
Yes, my parents' stuff. About the stairs.
All right, some interesting finds from that garage sale. Got this big wool kind of blanket, which is nice. I can put this in the booth for like, I don't know, 20, 40 bucks, depending on what the brand is. I haven't even looked at the brand. Just blankets like this sell pretty good in the booth. This is one of the larger ones. I'll figure out the brand later. I don't think it's anything terribly special, but I pick up blankets like that when I find them, throw them in the booth, they sell. We also have a Threadgill shirt. This is actually an Austin staple kind of place, but it closed down in the pandemic, I believe. So really cool home cooking. This is one of the Threadgill shirts. Not a vintage shirt, but definitely a cool shirt if you're in Austin, Texas. So this will go in the booth for like 20 bucks. I'm pretty sure someone will buy this. And then we got this leather case, right? I paid 10 bucks for everything here. This leather kind of case that can go on, I think, the back of a bike rack maybe. So that's pretty cool. Nothing crazy, but this is probably closer to 30 to 50 in the booth. And then I also got a vintage Schwinn Sierra bike, which is really neat. So yeah, you don't see these often. Needs to be cleaned up. Looks like it has a little bit more current day brakes. They probably took it in to get the brakes done. But outside of that, we have that kind of handlebar. It's just a really neat bike with a vintage kind of rack on the back. So yeah, this is a little TBD, but this is a $20 bike. I think it would resell for $100 to $200. I have to be kind of quiet because the garage sale is like right there. So, but yeah, this is a cool bike. I'm just glad to have found these kind of things, and when I get home, pretty easy wipe down, and this bike should be in saleable condition pretty quick. And I just figured out what the brand of the blanket is, an LL Bean, which is nice. So yeah, maybe this blanket's closer to 40 bucks, I don't know, but it is a pretty giant blanket. I knew it was gonna be something pretty good, so I just found the tag just now. All right, next garage sale's right here. That last garage sale had some cool finds. Still gotta look up that blanket and see what an LL Bean big blanket sells for. But this is another one right here. Got some kids stuff, and who knows, maybe we can find something at this one. Didn't find anything at that last garage sale, but we have one right here that doesn't look that great. I'm not gonna be, you know, making this seem like this is gonna be a good one. It just doesn't seem like it's gonna be that good, but I'm gonna go check it out just because, why not? And then maybe we have 2 more garage sales today. I don't know, I still have to look at the map and see if there's anything good. It's not gonna be the greatest day, but there's this thing in my head that on Friday evenings, if it doesn't look that good, right? Because that's when I kind of look at the map and like see how it's gonna be all, and just kind of route everything in my mind. I tell myself that, you know, I could sleep in, and then I also tell myself all it takes is one garage sale to make a really good day happen. So usually the second thought is what leads me to get out of bed and just have some fun, you know? So we'll see how it is. Whoa, there's a gumball machine at this guy's house. This is the craziest. What is that? Like, what is this all about? This is a person's house. This is not their mailbox. This is just a random gumball machine with like stuff inside. That is something I have never seen in my entire life. So I didn't find anything at that garage sale, but look at these LL Bean vintage blankets. They're pretty neat. Mine is definitely one of the nicer color configs. It's closer to this one right here. But I really do think I could maybe sell this thing for like $100, honestly, because it's a big one too. So I don't know if mine's the 84 by 70 or if mine is the 90 by 90. I guess I'll measure that out when I get home. But it's pretty nice. That's why I pop on these wool blankets a lot, because depending on maker, you can get some good cheddar, you know? So check that stuff out when you're at garage sales. Obviously, you want to scan for holes. I didn't, because it seemed like it was in great condition. But when I get home, I have to do a final scan. But yeah, it could be a double listed thing where I put it on eBay. And I have it in my antique booth as well. So definitely thinking about doing that. I didn't find anything at that last garage sale, but I went to this one right here. Too bad this stupid Denali is in the way. But if stupid Denali, that's stupidly large, wasn't in the way, then I could have shown you the garage sale. But anyway, what I did buy for $5 is right here. It's a vintage military bag. It's beautiful. It's on the small side, yeah, but it's super thick. And yeah, look at this. This is about $100 in the booth, if not more. It's just a neat little pack that someone's really gonna be into. And it's the straps. I mean, I don't know if I've ever seen thicker leather than this. It is so thick. So, really nicely built kind of item. Let's see if I can locate like an eBay listing or something like that and see how much this thing is. All right, the next garage sale is right here, pulling up to it. I think I've been to this one before. They usually have some pretty cool things, but could be a totally different homeowner at this point. Who knows? But gonna go check it out and see. It looks like they're kind of staging up. I don't even know if it's even going on right now. I don't know, we'll see. Another garage sale right here. You know, I just came from this one and there's just a lot of stuff, just nothing really worth buying. $20 boots and stuff that, you know, could sell in my booth for $50. I don't get into $20 things I can sell for $50. I get into $20 things that I'll sell for $50 in one day, but not for the things that take months or maybe weeks. It's just not a good use of money. So, but yeah, ever since the last clip, I actually did go to 2 garage sales. I ended up knowing a person at one of them, but there just wasn't anything to buy. So I'm still in this good part of town actually, and I'm looking around for rogue garage sale signs, and there's a Goodwill close by too, so I might pop into there. I don't know how many garage sales I have left in me or that are in this area, to be honest, now that I look more into it. So there is a Goodwill, and sometimes you can find some cool stuff here. You know, my best find at this Goodwill, I don't know, might be one of the desks that are in my house, or it's this Swiss backpack that sold for 200 or over 200 that I bought for $11 or something like that. So let's see if we find anything in here today. I just found a garage sale that was close to that Goodwill. I see some weird jackets, that's about it. I mean, I don't know. I've been to this garage sale before as well, and it just was not that good, but you never know. Maybe I can find something cool today. I'm gonna get in there and check it out. I didn't find anything at that garage sale, and it was actually pretty terrible. There were a couple of jackets that had some stains on them. You know, I'm not all about it, but it is what it is. I probably should check the local avenues to see if there's anything to pop on. Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, things like that. But just, you know, the garage sales were kind of thin today, but I wanted to make sure to film the video so you can see the stuff that I found. And there's also that military pack right here. And I'm gonna do some brief research, and I'll let you know before the video's over how much I think it'll really sell for. Okay, so I did Google Lens, and if you're not using Google Lens for some odd things that are really hard to identify, you should do it. Turns out this is a French, genuine vintage French military canvas utility bag. Yeah, military / army, obviously. And it's ranging from 72 to 110. So I guess I was right on the money with $100. That's what it's gonna go into the booth for. I really thank you guys and gals for watching this video, and you know, until the next time that we hang out at thrift stores or garage sales, we'll see what we can find. But I gave it my best shot. What do you guys think was the best find today? And are minivans cool? Let me know. Who owns a minivan out there? Let me know. I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler video. Take it easy. Goodbye.